Hello and welcome back to my channel, and this is Neeraj Niftiwala, and today I'm making this update video after a little within 25 time day frame, which I kind of made my last video on. My last video was on 22nd October. You can check the video update. And today, as I'm making this video, it's 13th of November, and today we have seen that Bank Nifty has shown some kind of a crash kind of a situation, and people are now panicking. And if you check my previous video, I had mentioned clearly that this green line which I have drawn, this has been a support line. Now this is since 26th October 2023 till the entire year now. So you can say it's almost a year for which this entire thing has held up steadily. This green line has held a support, so every time it came over here, it took a bounce. Came over here, and also in the month of 4th of June, election time, it took a bounce from here. Again, it came over here somewhere around 7th of October, it took a bounce. And I had made an update video which is around 22nd of October that if it crashes, it can take a support. It did crash that, but took a support over here, made a low of 50382. Bounced again, came back, bounced, but this time it has sure shot, made a red candle and closed way below the support line. So what can happen next? So the targets which I had given last time, they still hold true. There is no change. I have made a slight modification. I have added target number 5. So what are the possible targets now? Target is 50597, which is the first target which we saw it got achieved, broken after this level was broken, this support line was broken. So what was broken is, we have to start seeing from yesterday. Yesterday's close was 51,120. When it started today morning, it was just like for some 15-20 minutes it looked positive, but again it started crashing down. And then after it started crashing down, it reached all the way down, and all these targets started coming way. So we saw 5597 come, we saw 5131 come. So all these targets actually came in today. Now we are looking for target 3, 4 and 5 to get achieved. Target 1, target 2 is already achieved, 50597, 50131. These are the two targets which I had given if this line breaks. So people who had followed my video last time and have been following this chart have definitely sure shot benefited. So if you have benefited, please hit the like button, and if you have benefited monetarily, request you to make a monetary contribution to me as well. This is my QR code. You can scan, make a GPay, PhonePe, whatever contribution you think is right for me. If you've been watching my channel, you can understand it takes some time, effort, energy and some kind of knowledge to make this kind of an informative video. If you think you need to compensate me in some way by of making a friendly contribution, then please scan this QR and pay whatever you can as a monetary contribution. Let's move a little further. So there is target 3, target 4 and target 5 now, which is open for people who are watching my video on a regular basis and seeing what kind of targets I have given. So if you see, I have made these two blue lines. This is the first possible probable scenario, 48,200 to 300, that is target number 5. This is where the Bank Nifty can come crashing down. So it has made 2 days of very big bearish kind of candle. So one thing is for sure, that the support which was here, which was the low made on 7th of October, which was 50194, that has been broken on a closing basis, sure short basis. There was a support over here which was on 6th of September, October. All these supports which were there, they are already broken now. Now we are looking at the previous supports. What are the previous support lows? So one low that comes over here is 49654. The 49654 is something which we are looking at. Okay, if that takes a support which is at this orange color line, if it stops over here and takes a bounce from here, then yes, this support will become a strong support now. So this is the very first area. It has taken a bounce. If we properly look, there is a support which it took once on 6th of August, second again it took on 14th of August, twice it took support on this orange line, and that is why I have derived that this could be the next support line which it will test. It should test, it can test, possibly test. If it breaches, then what will happen? Then these are the two blue lines which I have drawn around 48,200 to 48,000 and 47,900. So this is the zone, 48,200 to 48,000 round figure. This is a zone which I think that could be the next possible target, and I have mentioned the precise target 48220 to 48300. That could be the next target. And there is a possibility that the bottom that we saw form on the election results, that is 4th of June 2024, I've drawn one line over here as well. So this is the last possible target which I see that can happen in the coming days if it keeps cracking like this. But right now to me it looks like, okay, this is somewhat a very distant scenario. Right now we first have to see what line by line. This orange line, this is a support line. We know that that's 49659. That's the level. 49659 can breach. If it breaches again on a closing basis, then we'll see the next set of level come very easily. That is 48220 to 48300. That's the level we would look at, and we'll see as to what kind of formation Bank Nifty makes from there. These are the possible targets I think I have derived and I have shared with you. Hope this makes sense to you for the people who have been regularly watching my channel and this chart that I've been sharing for quite some time. Request you to please hit the like button. It wouldn't cost you much, and if you think you have made a monetary benefit out of watching my videos and gained something, please contribute to me on a monetary basis, whatever you think is the right amount. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is Neeraj Iftiwala, and signing off for today.